In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default search location in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, your Outlook searches will start exactly where you want them to, saving you time and helping you find messages faster. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign into your account so you land in your inbox. This guide uses Outlook on the web, and the steps may look slightly different if you're using a desktop app, but the idea is the same. Once your mailbox is open, look at the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon to open Settings. This opens a quick panel on the side. We're going to the full settings to change the search defaults. In the Settings pane, find the left-hand navigation and select General. This section holds a wide range of mailbox preferences that affect how Outlook behaves. After opening General, choose Search. This is where Outlook controls how searches run and what gets included automatically when you type in the search bar. On the search page, look for the area labeled Search Scope. This is the key setting. It tells Outlook where to look by default whenever you run a search. To make searches more targeted and faster, select Current Folder. Choosing Current Folder means Outlook will default to searching only the folder you're currently viewing, like your inbox, sent items, or a specific project folder, rather than scanning your entire mailbox every time. If you often work inside organized folders, this can dramatically cut down on noise in your results. You can still change the scope on the fly later from the search bar if you need to broaden it. Below that, you'll see an option to include deleted items. If you want Outlook to automatically search the deleted items folder as part of your default scope, check this box. Keep in mind that including deleted messages can add more results, which is helpful if you frequently recover items, but it can also slow things down slightly or clutter your view. Choose what fits your workflow best. When you're done, click Save. Your new search behavior takes effect immediately. The next time you use the search box, Outlook will start in the current folder, and if you chose to include it, we'll also look through deleted items. If you ever want to adjust this, just revisit Settings, open General, go to Search, and update your scope. That's it. Quick, clear, and customized to how you work.